Welcome to JH. You might have seen the ads for ramstach.com promising you a life of leisure just for signing up, doing a few tasks, and pestering your friends to join. It sounds like a dream, doesn't it? But hold on. Let's take a closer look together, because when something sounds this good, there is usually a very expensive catch waiting in the shadows. First red flag, the website domain. When we checked the records, we discovered that ramstach.com was only registered in October 2025. Yes, it's so new it still has that freshly minted scam smell. While new websites aren't always bad, in the world of money-making platforms, having no history is basically the same as having no soul. Real platforms build credibility over years, whereas this one hasn't even been around long enough to see a single season of reality TV. The second big issue is the complete lack of customer support. We went looking for an email, a phone number, or even a lonely live chat bot, but we found absolutely nothing. It's a bit terrifying, really. If your money disappears or the site glitches, who are you supposed to contact? A psychic? If a platform handles people's earnings but refuses to provide a way to talk to them, that is a red flag big enough to cover a football stadium. Then we have the earning claims, which are frankly hilarious. They claim you can earn $50 just for signing up and $2 every time someone clicks a link. Let's be honest. Have you ever seen a legitimate company hand out money like candy on Halloween? Neither have we. It's clearly a referral trap designed to make you do their marketing for free while providing zero actual value in return. The website also throws around some very fake-looking numbers, claiming over 300,000 members and $9,000 paid out with zero proof to back it up. No screenshots, no verified receipts, just big flashy numbers that someone probably typed in while eating a sandwich. They even feature reviews from people like Joe Barbie, which sounds less like a real user and more like a name generated by a very lazy AI. Meanwhile, on actual review sites like Trustpilot and Reddit, there is total silence. Final thoughts. After checking the brand new domain, the missing support, the fairy tale earnings, and the suspicious stats, ramstach.com looks about as reliable as a chocolate teapot. It's all hype and no substance. Our advice? Save your time and protect your personal data by sticking to platforms with a real history and actual proof of payment. Thanks for watching. If you found this reality check helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Stay safe and stay smart.